The Accelerator course is my signature Excel course. It's perfect for the beginner to intermediate level Excel user. So think the person who hasn't made it past the home ribbon before to the data ribbon dabbler who can make a basic pivot table. The course has 12 modules that are about an hour each in length. And each module is broken into mini lessons, making it easy for you to use the course as an ongoing reference guide. You will have lifetime access to all the course materials, including the training videos, the practice files, templates, and guides. You also get a completion certificate and access to our private Facebook group for Q&A. Or you can always email me your questions too. By the end of the course, you will be confidently utilizing lookup functions, building powerful pivot tables, and easily analyzing your data. You will also become shortcut savvy and put the pesky mouse to rest. Are you ready to save hours in your week by becoming an Excel wizard? If so, I invite you to come learn with me.